Good afternoon, my math students. This is Mr. Horwath, and I'm on my way to Target to purchase a few items. And this is the snowy Monday, and I just wanted to make a video for you guys. This week we're learning about what's called unit rate. And usually I think of unit rate whenever I'm trying to make a better buy and trying to figure out like what's the best buy. So we're gonna see like where does this apply when I go shop at Target. So let's go figure this out. Ready? Now, unit rate is a type of ratio where you compare it to one, or you think of like what's the amount per one or amount per each item. So for example, I have 4 Chick-fil-A cards and this cost me $40. So when I'm thinking of the unit rate, I'm thinking of how much was each card. And if I look at it, each card ends up being $10. So my unit rate is $10 per card. So let's see how this works when I go shopping for some items.
Nobody hears that sound but me.
Here's my first problem. I'm going to get some Kind bars, and I can either get a pack of 5, which is $2.99, or I can get a pack of 12, which is $6.89. So I got to figure out which is the better buy. Which one am I going to get cheaper per bar?
Air is trying to leave.
So after doing the math, I'm going to have to choose the 12 pack because it's cheaper per bar. This one ends up being $6.89 divided by 12, which gives me about like 57 cents per bar. This is cheaper, so I'm gonna go with this. Here's my second problem. I need to get some chocolate for Valentine's Day for the Candy Grams, and I see 2 different purchases. Now, do I end up getting the 2 for $7 with the Dove chocolate, or do I go for some of the Hershey's, which is 3 for $10? So let's figure out which one is the better buy. So it's super close, but I have to end up getting the Hershey's, the 3 for $10, because it ends up being $3.33 per bag. So let's go ahead and grab a few. Deal. Or I can get these Candy Dum Dums, which are 3 for $8. So if I divide 8 by 3, that gives me $2.67 per bag. Even better deal. Now for my final problem, I need to get some pens for school. So let's see what they have. So I can get 8 pens for $5.89, or I was looking at these pens, which is 24 for $14.49. Alright, let's do the math, figure out the unit rate. After doing the math, I'm going to have to get the 24 pens for $14.49, because if I take $14.49 and I divide it by the 24, I get 60 cents per pen. So this is the better buy. Let's go. So after my purchases at Target today, I was able to use unit rate to make the better purchases, to figure out what was cheaper per item. And yeah, so I used some math, I made some better deal, and I'm ready to go home.
Anxiety is fear mixed with control.